Mama got that from Beaktivity. Yes. Tell all your birdie friends to order one. The link is below. Play with your toy. Look. Look. Oh, I knew you was going to be happy when you saw that. We got some other goodies too. Some treats. And some little wooden heart blocks for Valentine's Day. You like it? You like it? Look at the hook on it. Ooh, you like that? Huh? You like that new toy? You like it? Tell Greg I like it.